I'm going to take the magnetrons from two microwaves, these two microwaves, and I'm going to make a microwave gun Mark II. So here's the magnetron, just about. Danger, danger, high voltage. I've got my two magnetrons out my two microwaves, and now I'm going to put them into this Black & Decker heat gun. They're now slotted into the metal tube of this Black & Decker heat gun. The microwaves travel into the tube, and each one combines with the next one, which in turn increases. So if I had 10, the first one would combine with the second magnetron and generate more power into the third magnetron, then the fourth magnetron, and by the time it got to the end, it would be a very powerful beam. Dual magnetron microwave gun.